Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download code from Lovable AI. Alright, let's begin. First, open lovable.dev and make sure you're in the correct workspace. From the left panel, select All Projects and select the project you want to get the code for. You'll see the chat box on the left and the preview on the right. Find the prompt you used and scroll to the executed section. Click on Code, then highlight and copy it. A much easier way is to connect to GitHub. Open your workspace, click on View on GitHub, and log in with your GitHub account. Add your organization, click Continue, and make sure it's connected. This links Lovable to GitHub. Then click View on GitHub, go to Code, and download zip. The zip will contain all the code from your project. Open the zip to access the full content of your website or app ready to use. So that's basically how you can download code from Lovable AI. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.